The unknown error 21 typically occurs when restoring, updating, or downloading with iTunes, resulting in the message, "The iPhone could not be restored." An unknown error occurred 21. This error can be fixed easily using the solutions provided in the video, so there's no need to worry. Fix 1. Check the USB cable and port. Error 21 is often caused by USB connection issues, such as using a worn-out cable, poor connection, or non-certified accessories. To fix this, try using an original or MFI certified cable, switching to a different USB port, avoiding USB hubs, or restoring on another computer. Fix 2. Restart iTunes. Restarting iTunes can resolve error 21 by fixing minor glitches. Disconnect your iOS device, close iTunes, reopen it, reconnect your device, and try the update or restore process again. If it works, the issue was likely a minor computer problem. If not, proceed with further solutions. Fix 3. Update iTunes. An outdated iTunes version may cause error 21 during iOS verification. To fix this, update iTunes by going to Help, check for update, or download the latest version directly from Apple's website. Fix 4. Disable antivirus or security software. Security software such as Antivirus can interfere with the connection between your iOS device and Apple server. Temporarily disable third-party security software while restoring your iPhone with iTunes, and re-enable it once the process is complete. Fix 5. Remove unnecessary USB devices. Connecting multiple devices to your computer, especially smartphones or storage drives, can cause conflicts, preventing iTunes from detecting your iPhone or iPad. To fix this, unplug any unnecessary USB devices. Fix 6. Check host file. If the host file has been modified, it may prevent iTunes from communicating with Apple's official servers, resulting in iPhone error 21. Check the host file on Mac. Step 1. Open the Applications folder and go to the Utilities folder. Step 2. Launch Terminal and type the following command: sudo nano private etc. hosts. Step 3. If prompted for your password, enter your Mac's password and press return. Step 4. The terminal will now display the host file. Scroll down to find any entries that include gs.apple.com. Step 5. After deleting the line, check if the error persists by attempting to update or restore your device in iTunes. Check the host file on Windows. Step 1. Press the Windows key +R to open Run, then type C. Windows System 32 drivers etc. hosts. Step 2. Your computer may prompt you to choose how to open the file. Select Notepad. Step 3. Browse through the lines, looking for any entries that contain gs.apple.com. If you don't find this entry, there's no communication blockage. Step 4. If the entry exists, back up the file by saving a copy, then delete the entire line containing gs.apple.com. Step 5. After deleting the line, check if error 21 still occurs by attempting to update or restore your device in iTunes. Fix 7. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. However, please note that this method will erase all data and information. Therefore, it's best to back up your iPhone before proceeding. Step 1. Plug your iPhone into your computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. Once your device is in DFU device firmware update mode, you'll see a pop-up message in iTunes. Click OK to continue. Fix 8. Check the sensor cable. A loose sensor cable can cause error 21. To check it, you'll need basic tools to open the iPhone's rear panel. Disconnect the battery, inspect the cable, clean and tighten it, then reassemble the device carefully. Fix 9. Use iOS system recovery without data loss. If previous solutions fail or you want to avoid data loss, using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery is the safest option. It effectively fixes iTunes or iPhone errors, including error 21, while preserving your data in standard mode. Step 1. Download the right version of the program and launch it after installation, and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. When the program detects your device, switch to More Tool iOS System Recovery of the program. Step 2. Then this tool will automatically detect your iPhone's possible problems and show them, like iPhone error 21, iTunes error 27, screenshot not working, stuck at Apple logo, recovery mode, etc. Please hit the Start button to go on. Step 3. Then please confirm your iPhone information. If it is right, please click the Repair button to fix iPhone or iTunes error 21 right now. If not, select the right one and hit the repair option to start the fixing process. This program will download and install the latest firmware on your device after detecting your current iOS version. Wait for a while. Your iPhone Error 21 issue will be fixed with the program, and you can start to connect your device to iTunes to restore or update your iPhone again.